Welcome my YouTube channel. The 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle marks the return of an automotive icon, blending classic design elements with modern technology to appeal to both longtime enthusiasts and new drivers. Exterior: the Super Beetle retains its signature rounded silhouette, now enhanced with contemporary features. The front showcases a sleek grille flanked by LED headlights, providing a sophisticated appearance. Prominent wheel arches house sporty alloy wheels, and the rear is adorned with distinctive LED taillights and a functional spoiler that improves aerodynamics. Performance: the hood. The 2025 Super Beetle offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering approximately 250 horsepower. This setup enables acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds. Additionally, Volkswagen introduces an electric variant equipped with a battery capable of providing a range between 250 to 300 miles on a single charge, offering instant torque and smooth acceleration for an eco-friendly driving experience. Interior: inside, the Super Beetle combines nostalgia with modern amenities. The classic dashboard design integrates a 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with wireless charging capabilities. Ergonomically designed seats offer comfort, with higher trims featuring heated and ventilated options. The upgraded suspension system ensures a smoother ride while maintaining the agile handling characteristic of the Beetle. Price: the base model starts at approximately $30,000, with fully equipped versions reaching up to $40,000, positioning the Beetle as an accessible yet premium option in its segment. Safety: Volkswagen equips the 2025 Super Beetle with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both safety and convenience for drivers and passengers. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle successfully merges its iconic heritage with modern advancements, offering a compelling choice for those seeking a vehicle that embodies both tradition and innovation.